video man arikupinda mumageto vabuditsa mazinyaya ari lit 2 mabebi amutarisa pakona hanzi nyaya dzake dzese ihit 3 maguys amuona paapfuura hanzi skyrocket ndewe mafresh 4 haizi pressure my G zvobuda chero patv zvinotangira mugeto hakuna kumwe kunotangira madhiri zvinotangira mugeto kana slang kana fame kana mangoma anotangira mugeto hakuna kumwe kunotangira madhiri zvinotangira mugeto.
Uri kunoti chi like ndambokudza baba kuti isusu tiri blindfolded because atina kuzviendera kuchikoro in terms of music marketing or music management. I don't even know kuti kuma university kwedu iriko here inonzi music management kanti inongori business management ende ho, but I believe kuti music is a very big business. It needs its own structures like music management. Saka zvatiri kuita shamwari yangu recognize vanhu vane marketing skills, recognize vanhu vane managing skills and we employ them. Kana tava employer try by all means kuita panel beating yekuti zvichimecha nebusiness redu because my business models anoita se anosiyana. Music business especially industry yedu yakasvodogoka na mari dzanachibotadza dziri kungoenda dziya dzisikudzoka dziya dzema license dzema chichi ma royalties hadzisunyatsoya zvakanaka, so it's also hindering management because management needs to be paid. Muna ngari pabasa and you can't pay them by show money alone because sometimes we don't get tired. Like for the past 2 years we've been in corona period. Munhu wese akachikora asi hapana nemuromo wakachikora, muromo wese roda kutsenga handitoona. Saka at the end of the day uya achaita sewe achati abira ndino manager yangu supermarket because supermarket vanhu varoda kudya havaisi kumira ona. End of the day futi munhu yeye ari kumanage music business ari kuapply ma laws ekune rimwe business trying to make it match in music business of which dzimwe nzira dzacho ka guesswork blindfolded chache. Munhu akapfeka ichi blindfolded ari kuita guesswork kuti I think tikadai soka nekachikoro kandinako I think tikadai so zvinobudirira. Isusu tiri madofo tinenge tiri madofo kana tasvika ipapo ndobazamunza because you know what we've been through experience inokuticha zvakawanda. Experience aendero kuchikoro unotoita go through it to learn it. Saka ne experience ndopatosipedza anogona mafambiro oda kutry kutaura kuita apa unonokuvarira pakati takatombozvitana uyu tikadai so ende unoramba wangochinja mamanager odai wachinja wotozona kuti kuive kuuniversity vanofana kutoonawo vice department remusic chi management and teach people about copyrights, teach them about royalties, teach them about how to expand music business on directly about music. Just like when you go to mining school, any other sector. So what did I pay kwanza kunzi sports, arts and culture in the sports ministry, arts and culture ministry. Even my structures are tichimapusha ma universities, I'm sure zvinoita se zvinomeka sense. Because so far zvatrikuita hatikwanisi kumecha ne-world standard. Because world standard very prepared to do it. They are given the knowledge of how to actually do it. And the resources. Muno ipapo trikumai music production chacho haimo university. Music production haimo. Mabits ese music ese atugadzira yayo. Do it DIY babongo. Do it yourself. So we are actually geniuses, not indigenous. We are genius. Ona boss zvata achieve wangu tisina atudzira zvakawanda. Ndisana chikudza kuti vaningina vedu vari privileged.
So in the long run, I've already seen something. You guys created the system in a foundation.
It's very hard to break. True.
So it's going to be very difficult.
There are a lot of factors dance ingeri pamberi, especially in showbiz. Yeah. Showbiz, kuma shows. And kuno kusofa na royalties ya. Saka torera mane showbiz. And saka ma shows meme manje. Dancehall music is just energetic music. It's grooving music. It's let's dance music.
No visa stress.
Unziza. Inotonga kupoma mapapiro mamwanywana. Handitika. And when you look at jazz, it's a sit down and enjoy type of vibe on. So when a jazz artist come to share a stage with a dancehall artist, it looks like a dancehall artist is over the world because he's making people dance. Urubara difference. Saka dancehall kwa ino yasenda chaiko ndo pasina bozi tarisai kwa yabva nekwairi. Kwa iri kuenda chaiko hakuna, the foundation is family strong. Oh, okay. She could reflect.
So, something that I've always wanted to ask. Do you think the dance of young Zimbabwe maybe can be exported?
I think so. I totally think so. I think it can. It can. Like I was telling you, we have almost every genre or almost every art in dancehall. We have local standard produce. We also have export standard produce.
Okay. So yes. Quickly because I feel like
okay. No, okay. Let me try and show you. Look, urikumusha. Andija. Kugokwe. Andija, urimugokwe. Udanorira kwa Harare. Andija. Udakwenda ku Star FM kwa Harare kunorira. Andija. Iwe urikugokwe. Wenda se ku Star FM kuri kuda song yakaproduce kwa zvakanaka. Andija inorira zvakaita se zvakanaka. Iri kuda mari song. Kwa Harare tomboti kuda $50. Andija. Kana kuti $100. Andija. Kudwa ne video kuti kubva ngonoti plus ZBC. Ko video mari haase zvochitanga oso pamwe 3 kana 400 inogona kuita video. Uya ari kugokwa ne budget rechi 450 kana kuti 500 for one song. Ari kugokwe. Inini ndirimo muHarare. Ndoda kuenda ku New York. Budget rangu rakamira sei? Rekugokwe 500 kuya muHarare. Ko rekubva muHarare kuenda ku New York uri kuda mari. Handiti number 1. Hatinongona pakaipa chete. Tinofana kuona zvese. Handitika ndo number stage number 1. Ma budgets edu haamite ma international standards. High five and maximum respect to Japraise. Japraise will give you a 5-star sound quality and also give you a 5-star quality video. You will find out not everyone can do it. It's been years now. Ari one. You would also find Anatomy Moyo doing very good videos. It's backup. You see that this video, Nyaradzo provided so much for Ja. This video, so and so provided so much. Nash did this, did that. And for time is Moko, Navao, you know. It's man-driven. So art can reach somewhere. Is art music. Not ya gather a song yake and pere power. It's international quality standard. It also needs that international final touch and needs international support from his people. So it's not just him. It's a system that has to take him there. At one point, do you know that Diamond from Tanzania was banned from radio stations?
I know that.
He opened his own radio station. This is what money can do. Money can change regs into Versace. This is what we don't have, my friend. We have the art, we have the genius people to do it. I'll give you an example of Fortune Mparutsa. I'll give you an example of Odias Utawarira. I'll give you another example of this hip-hop crew, major players. They were doing it to the maximum, but for how long? Because Chris Brown will have a song almost every month with a banging video and a banging sound. And he already has the market. I'm trying to get market share. So I'll need to spend more But the guys who are already in the market are already big spenders because they are earning something. I was giving you those numbers, those are license numbers. If that money was coming in the right way, then we should be somewhere right now. At least maybe not international, but regional. Just to close Zambia and Botswana and Mozambique. It's very easy. We are capable. And even if you want to listen to the music without a biased ear, you can listen and tell the guys that are actually doing it. So it goes to the budget, it goes to the will. Are you actually willing to grab a Grammy Award? Do you have the will to do it? You know, that hunger. But one thing that will take us there is our own people. If our own people can be as proud as they are when we are alone, they should be as proud they should be proud of us when they go out there as well. You know, and spread the vibe, spread the messages. You know, I cannot go and put my song to play first on Trace before ZBC. Man, that's not how I want to do it. But our people appreciate it more. But that's not how it's supposed to be. We're supposed to love our own things first and then take them to the world. You know, and it's not about English. If you want to be an international artist, it's not just about music, about the English or the language. Because right here we listen to Salif Keita like we no one's business. And we don't know what being Gribas or be mean. We don't know now nothing about that. This is rich music. Neither do the Asians know about Nyoka Msango. But Thomas Mapfumo was filling up those venues, singing for them. So it has been done by the same guys, by the same people.
Wow. Zimdancehall stories. Ekuratiza my true stories. Watu wakatiisa chikwata muvengi wangu. You go die broke. Zvinotangira mghetto. Hakuna kumwe kunotangira matiri. Zvinotangira mghetto. Kana slang, kana fame, kana mangoma anotangira mghetto. Hakuna kumwe kunotangira matiri. Zvinotangira mghetto. Kana slang, kana fame, kana mangoma. One video man arikupinda mumageto vabuditsa mazinyaya ari lit. 2 mabebi amutarisa pakona hanzi nyaya dzake dzese ihit. 3 maguys amuona paapfuura hanzi skyrocket ndewe mafresh. 4 haizi pressure my G zvobuda chero